In this lecture, you will learn to interpret the situations that are not a negative SEO attack by your competitor. In the comment section of most of these negative SEO articles, you could find several people raising their voice that their competitor has attacked them. It's quite natural to come to that opinion if you look from their shoes. When they look at their backlink profile, if they find some odd man out, they would say, I didn't make these spammy links, so who could have done that? Yeah, my competitors should have. That's so logical from their point of view. But whenever you find some spammy links in your backlink profile, those links might not have been created by your competitor or they might not be a spammy link at all. Let's see some situations that are not a negative SEO attack by your competitor. The first such example is some websites which analyze and provide information about each and every domain on World Wide Web. These are not spammy links. Even some directories or websites similar to demos.org or traffic information sites similar to alexa.com, etc., will also provide you a backlink from their site. They are not spammy. If you find so many number of backlinks that come from the same name and same anchor word, then it means your domain link is added site-wide on that website. Just check that website on Web of Trust, that is mywot.com. If the website's trustworthiness or child safety is shown in green color, then that means that backlink is also safe. If you want to check for multiple number of backlinks, install WOT extension in Google Chrome and open all the websites. Then you can see the trustworthiness of each and every backlink that you have opened. Sometimes you might have asked your friends, relatives to use your domain name whenever they are asked for a website name, or if you have bought a paid SEO service a few years back, it's possible that they are still building some random links for you. The last situation is your site could have got hacked. Yes, hackers may use the vulnerabilities in some non updated plugins or themes and hack your website, create pages on their own, redirect it to some of their own websites. Then they will build spammy backlinks for the redirected pages on your site. Definitely the last two cases leads to negative SEO. That is when your website is hacked or when you have bought a paid SEO service which creates spammy backlinks even now. But they are not needed to be done by your competitor. They are not done to make your rankings fall at least. But sometimes you can find with certainty that you are under negative SEO attack. Let's see some examples for that. If you're getting a sudden influx of links from spammy websites or forums or from computer generated auto blog posts, then that's a sign. If there are sudden rise in backlinks from multiple websites for a same anchor word which is unrelated to your domain name, your website niche, then that's a sign of negative SEO. Last but not the least, if you're getting backlinks from porn sites, gambling sites, etc., then you're definitely under negative SEO attack. In the upcoming sets of lectures, you will learn how to prevent negative SEO attack on your website.